Hey guys, good afternoon. I'm going to show you how to make a do-it-yourself hyphen chest seal trainer. Doing this, you'll be able to make multiple trainers, save money instead of buying the expensive hyphen chest seal trainers. I do recommend getting those and training with them, but especially if you're putting on classes for multiple people, that price kind of adds up pretty quick. All you need is self-seal laminating sheets, the single-sided version, red construction paper, a pair of scissors, and a little bit of gauze. Alright, so we're going to start with our single-sided lamination sheet, lay it out there. Cut a corner off of the construction paper. Peel back your lamination sheet. Put that red there on the corner. Take your gauze. Lay it on there. I'm using these sheets in about quarters so I can make multiple trainers with it. Alright, and there you go. You got your do-it-yourself trainer. Simulates the hyphen chest seal pretty accurately. You got your gauze to wipe away any blood or fluids beforehand, and then apply your chest seal.